Hello everyone! Welcome back to Toy Toy Time. Thank you to all of you guys who subscribed to our channel. We get so happy when we get new subscribers. Also, every time we get a new subscriber, we do a shout out to our new subscribers. Today, it's a big shout out to Brayden. Thank you so much, Brayden, for subscribing to Toy Toy Time. Well, next time it can be you. So when you are watching our video, watch out for this smiley face on my hand. And when you see the smiley face, hurry up and subscribe to our channel. Also give us a thumbs up to let us know that you enjoy our video. So let's go ahead and start drawing and coloring with Toy Toy Time. On today's video, we're gonna draw a dog. Are you guys ready? So let's go ahead and start coloring and drawing with Toy Toy Time. Okay, so let's start tracing our dog. Here we go. You guys ready? We'll start tracing the fur on top of the dog's head, followed by its face, which is a circular drawing. You stop right here because that's where the ears will meet. So you go back to the top of the head and you draw the ears to the side, loop around, and bring the line up. Can you see the face of the dog? You can, right? Now the other ear. Good job. Now we're gonna draw the eyes. 2 large circles, one next to each other. Great job. Now we're gonna draw an oval for the nose and draw the dog's mouth. How are you guys doing so far? I'm sure you're doing great. So this is the collar. You can also spell a name right here on the collar. I'm just gonna put little grommets. Now here is one leg, the chest of the dog, the other leg, the belly, another leg, and this one is gonna connect all the way up and draw the body. Draw another leg, the 4th little leg hidden over there, the dog's claws, very cute and friendly, and its tail. How are you guys doing so far? Good job, everyone. Now here, this dog is gonna have a spot on its face, on its back, and on its ears. One here. Okay, I might draw another one on the other ear later. You guys let me know. Let me decide. Help me decide. Now here we're gonna use the marker to color the other eye. And we are all done coloring, and we are all done tracing the dog. Now it's time to color. I'm gonna use a brown pencil to color the spots on the face of the dog, and I'm gonna use the same pencil to color the other spots as well. So here we go. I'm gonna put this in a little bit of a fast forward because I know it takes a long time to color. So here we go. Good job, everyone. Your drawing and coloring looks amazing. I'm so proud of you. Look at what I just saw. Oh my gosh, hurry up. Subscribe to our channel. We're gonna keep coloring all the spots on the dog. The next one is the spot on its back. Drawing and coloring is so much fun. Thank you for watching our video, guys, and also thank you for coloring and drawing with us. I'm going to use blue for the collar You guys can choose whatever color you like the best. So green, yellow, orange, pink, any color you guys like will look amazing. Good job! I'm gonna color the grommets in yellow because I love the way how yellow and blue contrasts. But you guys can choose the color that you like. I will be using two colors to mix here for the nose, a pinkish color and a darker brown color. And when I'm using the darker brown, I'll put a little bit more and saturate the color a little more so it looks just like a dog's nose. Hey, you know what? Maybe we should add one more spot on the other ear. This one's gonna be very big. Alright, so time to color it. You guys thought you were done. Nope, time to color some more, but we're almost done. Alright, one more spot on the dog and we'll be done. Great job, everyone. Thank you so much for following along with Toy Toy Time. I really enjoy when all of you guys color with us. And I love when you guys subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up to let us know that you liked our video. And this is our finished masterpiece. I am sure that you guys did an amazing job too. You can do the spots in black or in a different shade of brown. You can paint the color on a different color too. Thank you so much for coloring and drawing with Toy Toy Time. Give us a thumbs up, let us know that you like our video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys on our next coloring lesson. Have a great time, everyone. Thanks for watching Toy Toy Time.